Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week's video, I think a lot of you are going to love. One of the most commonly asked questions that I get is different lighting solutions on a budget for your space, especially apartments, and this is exactly that video. Before I get into it, just a really quick reminder, if you're not already subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video, which is every Sunday now. And here are all of my other social medias if you're interested. So for today's video, I was really inspired by these types of light fixtures. I really love them. I think they're really cool with the looping LEDs, but all of them are really expensive. A lot of people have this issue where they don't have anything hardwired to their ceiling, and it would cost some money to have someone come in and do that. So this light fixture that I'm sharing with you guys today, you don't need that for. You can just string the wire to the ceiling and then have it have like a pretty little drape, or you could even use a white wire and try to conceal it with some little hooks, whatever works best for you really. For my apartment, I am going to put a little aesthetic hanging wire because my ceilings are really weird. Here is a list of all of the supplies that you will need for this project, so you can screenshot this or something if you need. So what I used for this project is I ordered some LED strip lighting off of Amazon. This part is totally preference. You could definitely get lighting that is colorful and you can change the colors with the remote and all of that, or you could get a bright white lighting. What I ended up choosing was a warm white because it is in my living space, so I wanted it to be something a little bit cozier. Here is the exact product that I bought. I think you'll be able to see the price. It was around $30. Also, if you're choosing another kind, just make sure that it's this kind that looks like a rope and not the kind that is just the little circles of light. That will not work. Other supplies that you will need for this project include a thick wire. You will need some clear cable ties, some sort of thick rope that can take the bulk of the weight of the light fixture, and also a thinner rope so that if you have anything that's sagging, you can tie it up to the top. Other than that, you'll probably want some wire cutters, some scissors, and an extension cord. I literally cannot explain to you guys how simple this DIY is. You do not need any special tools. You'll all be able to do this one, so I'm really excited. Basically, all you have to do for this project is take the wire that you got, cut it to a length that you like, and then bend it to the shape that you want your light fixture to be. For mine, I actually took the two ends of the wire and I wrapped them together because I wanted mine to look like a continuous loop. Then I took the end of my LED strip and the center of my wire and I attached the end to the center with a cable tie. And then I just continued to attach the LED strip to the wire with cable ties all the way for the entire length of the fixture. Once you get it all attached and you cut off any extra LED, it should look something like this. When you're done adding all of your cable ties and it's all secure, you're gonna want to remove the excess pieces of the cable ties with just some scissors. Then you're going to want to take the thicker rope that you got and attach it to the center of the light fixture that you made. This is just so that the rope will take the weight instead of the electrical cord that you have, because that's not very safe. Not very sustainable either. And you can connect the rope to the electrical cord with some cable ties as well. Then if there's any parts of your light fixture that are sagging, you can take the thinner string that you got and then attach it to that area that's sagging and then attach it to the main rope. The extension cord scenario is different for every single space. It depends on how high your ceilings are, what you want to do to conceal the rope, etc. I just ended up letting mine drape and I attached it all with some cable ties. If you order the same exact LED strips that I got off of Amazon, they have this really thick box on the wire. So again, every scenario is different. We just tried to conceal ours the best that we could. But yeah, it was really that simple. So let's take a look at how it turned out. guys enjoyed this video, if you try this project, make sure to tag me on whatever social media you prefer. I would love to see it. It makes me so happy. And I'm really excited to do the rest of my living room space. I have some more furniture coming in and I'm going to paint the wall and it's going to be so fun, and I'll give you guys a little tour when it's done. But thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys all in next week's video. Bye guys.